Just go straight, then slide right.
Slide. Anong slide right?
I said slide right.
Ah, okay. Ang liit-liit ng kalsada, wala na tayong masaslide dito.
Later kasi. May slide right there. Oh, may right dito.
Delikado mag-overtake. Napakaliit nito.
Straight and then right.
As in right now?
The next one.
This one?
The next one.
Okay. We are always running. Thrill of it. Thrill of it. This one?
Yes. So you turn.
Umikot siya. Sige, straight. Tapos the next.
The next. Ay,
Ano? Okay, got it.
left! Baka kaliwa, diba? I said left, right?
You're the worst navigator ever!
You're the worst driver ever! See, you can wear your shades now, girl.
Ano ba, Nessie?
Bakit ganun? Yeah.
Papatayin na talaga kita. Walang U-turn slot dito.
Back na lang.
I can't
Sure?
see. Yeah, back na lang.
More.
More.
May bangin na dyan, ha?
Okay, you can turn right now.
Nessie, pasensya ko, konting-konti na lang. So, yung kayamanan natin, hindi mauubos. Pero ang pasensya ko, konti-konti na lang.
I don't know that movie.
Happy birthday! Yay!
We just want that real shit. All these pictures on the internet. And I'm up like a cigarette.
Now you know how I feel. Body saying let's go. But my heart is saying no.
Shout out.
More great videos, please.
again.
Yes, because we're gonna copy it again.
Yeah. You can be honest too. Just leave our comments down below.
Meron lang ka closing
But
comment.
not too honest. Just being honest.